Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you my 2021 reading journal setup. This is my journal for this year. It is orange color. It has 248 dotted pages along with a number of index pages and stickers as well. When you open the journal, the first thing you have is the names area, so you can write your name as well as contact. After that, you have a lot of index pages. I don't use the index area because I like to go with the flow, so it's usually kept empty. Moving on, this is my title page for 2021. I drew in a lot of sunflowers as they are my favorite flowers with a quote, "When you focus on the good gets better," as a positive start for this year. Next is my reading stats for 2021. These are all the things I want to track this year. It keeps on changing, but for this year, I wanted to track how many days in the year I actively read. So I have allotted a number of colors for the pages, and I will be coloring through the boxes, and by the end of the year, I will know how many days I have actively read. The next area is the books per month. Here I'll be writing in the number of books I read per month. At the end of the year, I will be filling in these two boxes to know the total number of books and the total number of pages I read in 2021. After that, I will be using tally marks to track all of these different sections. First is pages per book. So whichever book I read, was it below 200, and these different sections, I'll be putting a tally mark according to the page numbers. The format of the book: physical book, audio book, or an ebook. The authors, whether it was male or female. The ratings, so it's from 5 to 1, as well as DNF. The kind of book that it is review copy, book tours, buddy reads, rereads, and book clubs. And then the books that I buy in this year. So I'll be using very tiny tally marks over here to just kind of track everything. On the next page, I have my unread bookshelf. So these are all the books that I have on my shelf right now, which I have not read or I'm planning to read in this year again. That is why it is so many, because I am planning to reread a lot of things this year just to have a fresh mindset. There are a lot of boxes empty because there are a lot of pre-orders and book boxes that are yet to come. So when they come in, I will fill it up. In the next page, I'm going to be doing a book of the year this year, where I will be noting down my favorite book per month, and then by shortlisting them, come up with one winner. Now in the next page, it is just an empty page, so I put in this quote: "A lot can happen in a year." It is a really fitting quote for January. Moving on to the January month. For the January month, I have put in a lot of fireworks at the side. It didn't turn out that well, but I'm fine with them. So I'm just going to be putting in whatever books I start in January, and I allot them a color. For example, "And the Mountains Echoed," as the cover has a lot of purple in it, I have allotted the color purple to it. In the same way, whichever book I read, I allot a color to it. With that in mind, I'm able to color the section and show how many pages of that particular book I have read. So for example, on 1st of January, I read 78 pages of Ruin and Rising. This way, when this whole section is completed, I have an idea of how many pages I read every day and how many days it took for me to complete a particular book. From then on, I am allotting individual pages for a particular book. I put in the name of the author and the book on the top with the starting date and the ending date. This is my ratings box. where I give one overall rating for the plot, and rating for the characters. There is a box for my favorite characters, box for favorite moments, and thoughts and quotes. According to the color allotted to the book, I give a bit of shading to make it attractive. So this is my bullet journal setup so far for 2021. Hope you all liked it. And if you have any questions, please put it in the comments. Thank you for watching.